What is going on YouTube? Back again with another great video. Today is the day for the inspection of the Mazda. The Mazda is right here on my right side. And yeah. Currently I believe there's about 2 people ahead of line. I'm gonna go ahead and start sitting outside, but it's pouring out rain right now. I didn't really want to have to do that, but I don't want anybody to think, oh yeah man, I was here first. I've actually been here since I've been here since 6:36. It's 7:20 right now. This place opens at 8 and I believe they don't start inspections until 9. But I don't want to have to miss it because they only have 10 spots a day, and after the 10 it's just regular repairs because this is a collision auto body shop. So paying towing to tow the car here since it's a salvage title and then having to tow it back and then do it all over again another time is a big, huge waste of time. Alright, I got my number 4 in this guy. Somebody here there were so many people way before me. Well, 3 people. Now there's like at least 12. A lot of these people are about to have the afternoon session, and I believe they only do 6 more after that. I think a total of 10 do the morning session, and I think everybody should make it as here as of right now. But yeah, I'm not gonna be recording anything inside, you know, for legal issues. I don't want to have everybody on camera that's there. People are just doing their thing, normally walking. So I'll get back to you guys whether or not the car passes or not. All right, just got the car back from the inspection site. The car has passed. We're excited. Now all that's left for the car now is just registration, tag, insurance, as well as paint for the front, because we won't be leaving the front looking like that. So I gotta turn in this paperwork in after I do emissions, and the car won't be able to get towed back today, so we won't be able to make that video of us driving around to get the emissions passed. But I do have my code scanner right here. I want to see if it's already ready or not, but the battery's been taken out so many times, I doubt it is. Today we are taking the delivery of the Mazda 3. I need to shift gears, and holding this camera up is pretty heavy, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I will start up the video back when we get to the shop to see whether or not we can get the temp tag. The car has actually been finished. I haven't showed you guys anything yet unless you follow me on my Instagram. But yeah, car's done, painted. Just need to get the temp tag. It's insured, and we'll see if we get it today. I'm crossing my arms if we do, because the person that's making the temp tag is not in office, I believe. So we'll see what happens. We are here. Slowly. Just show y'all a little walk around the car. I'll probably do this about every video, what it looks like right now. Current update. Bumper's still missing that piece. You can see the more prominent hood L we have going on over there. Let me try to focus into it. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Right there. I hate trying to focus with this jump. Autofocus really sucks on this camera. I'm just gonna stay focused on here. Yeah. Everything's all good in here. Around the cars. Does need a wash though. Tomei's been taking a beating. It's all dark over there. Okay. Me and Terrence also worked on that dreadful bumper fitment, and it looks a million times better. So we go on this side. This side was kind of already done, so the car's looking a whole lot better. But the car's gonna probably go back in for repaint for that hood area before IA, and this bumper's still gonna have a hole in it. And I'm honestly considering to finally do what I should have did the first time and get a Nismo bumper, which is gonna be about $1,000-something bucks. But I'd rather have the security of the bumper not breaking, you know, rather than me trying to, you know, repair every and buy a new bumper every single time because it's made out of a thicker material, which will allow it not to rip out of nowhere like this last one did, which really upset me because I spent a lot of money on just 2 bumpers and I could have put that anywhere else, like a spoiler, because my car is wingless. So yeah, enough talking. When we get the temp tag and get the Mazdas back at the house, I'll let you guys know. All right, just got all the paperwork for the car. We are getting ready to go head back home. I'll have Randy, he's gonna go pick me up because he can't drive stick, so he can't drive my car. So he's gonna pick me up, we'll go pick up the Mazda, and then we'll bring it back home with some new papers, tag, and all. Oh, these roads are absolutely horrible, man. Like, I kid you not, these are one of the worst roads ever. Oh, my turn's coming up. I can't miss it, I can't miss it, I can't miss it. Update, I made it! I made it off the highway, but I got flipped off by a truck driver. All right, this is it right here. You guys haven't seen it yet, but this is the complete version of the Mazda, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna post a picture of the before. But dang, car's done. Finna go ahead, put on some plates. Right now, we finna drive off if the battery's not dead. I mean, you guys can't see it, but the pearlescent in the sun looks very good. The only downfall is that the paint on the rest of the car is kind of old since we just tried to blend it. And it's a little bit, you can tell that this paint is way newer than the old paint. So we're gonna see if we can detail all this stuff out with some Iron X. You guys know what that is, but that'll be in a future video. Right now, I'm just really, and it's so bright out here, but got my little 10 mil. This might take a little bit longer because it's not a ratchet, but let's go ahead and put this tag on and get this car out of here. All right, temp is on. Gotta go ahead and start this bad boy up. It's dead. Oh no! It's alive, guys! That's great. That's great news. This just looks amazing. I had to show you guys again. Look at the car. You know, looks great. Look great. Great road. Never thought I'd see both of these guys together in the same place and not both at the shop. Even though she's about to go back to the shop for some repaint, it's not gonna be as tough as getting her back out. Guys, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Again, finally got this car out the shop, have the keys in my hand, as well as the 350Z. So now we have an official daily for the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. There'll be some more videos ahead onto this car because it also has a little bit of surprises going on for itself. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come